Today we are going to discuss direction of tension force by umbrella concept. So this is a very unique concept we will learn by umbrella. So here you can see this is a string and this is a mass attached to this string. So because of umbrella you are able to understand the direction. This is the observer who is standing on this system. This I make a system. There's a weight mg acting on it. So direction of umbrella, the direction in which this observer who is standing along the string will indicate the direction of tension. For example, this is a umbrella. Clear? So I open this umbrella like this. Just a minute. Like this. This is me. I am the observer who is standing along the string. So this is the string. I am opening this umbrella like this. You can see like this. So you can see the direction in which umbrella opens is the direction of the tension force. Second example you can see here. In this example, this is a mass m. Here observer is standing along the string. This is the string. This is the string and observer is standing along the string. So in this direction he open the umbrella. So this is the direction of tension force. One more example I can give you. I have a cell, one string, this is a rubber band and this is a mass attached at the end of the string. So if I do not attach any mass, so there is no tension, string will be loose. So there is no tension, means string is slack or loose. When I attach a mass, you will realize some tightness in the string, means string is stretched, tension comes into play. So this is the mass which I draw here and this is my system. I want to know the direction of tension force on this string. So I consider one observer and one umbrella. He is standing here. So direction of tension force is along the direction in which umbrella is opening. So umbrella is opening like this. So this is the direction of tension force. So we will recap. Always find that direction of tension force by the umbrella concept. It's a very unique concept or creative concept by which you never face the difficulty in finding the direction of tension force. Always consider one observer, one umbrella, and observer should stand along the string. So direction in which umbrella is open like this is the direction of tension force. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.